you know, block out the inside also. And they also can change color, as you can see, you know. Next one, yeah. So yeah, just a little bit of accent for the car, you know, to bring the car off. As you guys can see, I'm also running a 25 row oil cooler, yeah, to keep the temps relatively good. 7.5 inch VRS race intercooler also running a transmission cooler. You guys may can see it's a little bit dark, but yeah guys, yeah, kidney grills black. I'm gonna upgrade those soon to the carbon fiber one. BMW carbon fiber emblem, that's from Nelson Racing. Okay, and I didn't remember to tell you, these light parts that I used to build the headlights are from Bob Group, so big shout out to Bob Group for that. My wheel setup, so I haven't went into my wheel setup as yet, but my wheel setup is I'm running ESR, as you guys can see. These are RF2s, if I can recall. Also my tire setup on these rims are, at the front I am running 255/35 9.5 with a plus 22 offset at the front. Yeah guys, so for the rear, as you guys can see, I'm running Toyo Proxy R888R 275/35 10.5 with a plus 22 offset at the back. Drill solid rotors also. Yeah, and guys, stay tuned for my big brake kit reveal. Stay tuned for that, because I'll be revealing a big brake kit on this car pretty soon. Just a little walk around again. So I'm running carbon fiber V2 carbon fiber spoiler also. Yeah guys, love that spoiler. Also upgraded to the LCI tail lights. That's a nice addition to the car to bring the looks off. Also at the back, I'm running dual exhaust tips, carbon fiber diffuser, carbon tips. Also my 3.5 inch race VSR race exhaust. Yeah guys, yeah, just a quick walk around guys, quick, you know. Also a little more accent, carbon fiber mirror caps. Yeah guys, the car is a little bit dirty right now. I'm at work, just doing a vlog for you guys. It's another walk around, you know. Yeah guys, that's it. So stay tuned guys for the big brake kit reveal that will be happening pretty soon. Please like, subscribe guys. I'm trying to build my channel. Just started YouTubing and haven't get the hang of it 100% as yet, but as time goes by I'll get better at it. So just like and subscribe guys, and I'll be updating pretty soon again. So I am out. Thanks for watching.